The exam mistakes university students make that ruin their grades, even when prepared. If you're a university student who's ever felt frustrated that your grades don't reflect the effort you put in, you're definitely not alone. Maybe you've studied hard, even felt prepared, but when exam day comes, something just doesn't click. If that sounds familiar, this video is made for you, because what I'm about to share will completely change how you approach studying and exams. Here's the truth. Most university students unknowingly make multiple mistakes in how they prepare. Mistakes that sabotage their results more than lack of effort ever could. Fixing these will totally transform your grades and your confidence. I'm going to break down the 3 critical steps to avoid these deadly exam traps and ace your tests, even when you're already prepared. Step 1. Understand, don't just memorize. There's this myth that says, the more I memorize, the better I'll do. But honestly, the smart alternative is to focus on conceptual understanding. Know the why behind the facts, not just the facts themselves. But here's the part most people get wrong. They cram definitions but can't apply ideas when the questions get tricky. Understanding beats memorizing every time. Step 2. Study smarter with active recall and spaced repetition. Myth. Just doing tons of practice questions is enough. Smart alternative. Use active recall and spaced repetition. Test yourself repeatedly over time instead of passively reviewing notes. This third step is what actually makes the first 2 work. Because without consistent smart practice, your brain won't retain what really matters. Step 3. Master your exam day mindset. There's this myth that if I'm prepared, I won't get nervous or blank out. But honestly, that's not always true. The smart alternative is to develop exam day strategies, like breathing, visualization, and time management, to stay calm and focused. Knowing how to handle pressure is the difference between showing what you know and freezing up when it counts. Imagine walking into your next exam feeling calm, confident, and knowing you've truly mastered the material, not just memorized it. Picture finishing your test early, with time to review, and finally seeing the grades you deserve. More free time, less stress, and the confidence to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Bonus tip. Most students overlook this, but how you review after a practice test is as important as taking the test itself. If you didn't get this step right in step 2, your whole preparation falls flat. Seriously, watch the video again to catch that, because mastering this can multiply your results overnight. So here's what you do next. Tonight, don't just reread notes. Pick one topic, close your book, and test yourself like the exam will. Then tomorrow, repeat it again. That's how real improvement happens. If this hit home, smash that like button, drop a comment below with your toughest exam challenge, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more game-changing study hacks. Share this with a friend who's burning the midnight oil but still struggling. Let's level up your grades together.